Good night. My name is Brian Carrasco, and my recipe is brownie. Ingredients: a cup of butter or margarine, 2 layers eggs, 1 cup purpose flour, 1 semi-sweet chocolate chip, a half cup brown sugar pack, a half cup chopped sugar. Preparation. Project oven to 175 C, grease 20 by 20 cm pan, combine butter of margarine and chocolate chip in saucepan and long heat. Start often until melted. Do not overheat. Remove a pep. Beat egg excess in mixing bowl until frothy. And sugar and vanilla best to mix. Chocolate mixture to this mixture. Stir and fluid and gommas. Stir just until mousting. Scrape butter into pan. Scrape evenly bake in oven for 25 minutes. Cool browning before coating. Thank you.